Nice and lovely, guys. So basically I'm in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo salad bar, and I decided to just do a quick rice salad, you know what I mean? A long time I'm gonna give it something like a salad or anything, you know? Alright, now we have some tomato, and all I'm going to do is cut up my tomato like this. Straight inside, I'm gonna be using one tomato. If you got cucumber, use, but cucumber is so hard to get at the moment. I don't know if it's because of the condom, what's going on. Now we're gonna use some spring onion. Alright. Also we got some sweet jam lettuce. Just need to just cut them up really nicely, you know. Very thinly. You don't want to cut it too chunky, you know. Go with the rice. Nice one. Really lovely little salad, you know. We love to share salad recipe, you know, because a salad bar and juice bar. So, you know what I mean? You have some rocket. We're gonna mix up some rocket inside of it. We have some spinach. We're gonna just put some spinach in it, but it's alright. Nice one. Now, right over here, we have some yellow pepper. And some green pepper. Some red pepper I want to put also inside of it. That's gonna make it really have a lot of flavor. Nice one. Look at that, amazing. Alright, now this is where it started, in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. Soya sauce. You know what I mean? I need some soya sauce. Alright. This is some garlic and tomato. Let's put a little bit on it, you know. I mean, it's just like a dry herb, you know. But you have a little bit of spice in it. And some black pepper. Nice one. This is some dry chili flakes. It's nice to have some dry chili flakes in it. When you bite in it, you get a little bit of spice in your mouth. Yes, that's exactly what I talk about. Now, just mix the rice with it together. And you know what you can do? Say if you're at home and you make some fried chicken, you know what I mean, or some barbecue chicken or some jerk chicken. This is just nice to go with it. Honestly. Look at that. Amazing. Nice serve pan. A nice lovely dinner table. Yes, Chef Ricardo, that me I talk about. Look at that, guys. That is lovely and nice and fantastic. Alright, see? Look at that. Beautiful one. That is just lovely. Alright. I want you guys to just enjoy the simple little salad recipe, rice salad, nice and lovely with some sweet jam lettuce. Oh my days, what more do you want at home, guys? Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. Alright? If you like the recipe, leave your comments. Alright, guys? I will see you next time. Bye bye.